6 weeks ago, you did everything right. The contract was signed, the deposit cleared, you placed an order. Somewhere in the factory in the Midwest, cabinet boxes are being built to the exact specs you and your client spent 4 months finalizing. You know that. The factory knows that. The cabinets know that. Your client does not know that. Or more accurately, they know it in their head, but in their gut, all they have is silence. And silence, after the largest purchase they've made in years, feels a lot like abandonment. The text started around week 3. Any updates? Just checking in. Should we have heard something by now? Each one friendly, each one carrying the same unspoken question. Did you take our money and disappear? Welcome to the Elevated Podcast. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. This is The Silence. Looking at your phone, reading the 4th, just checking in text this week, here's what's happening on the other side of that message. In your world, silence is the sound of things going right. The factory is working, the order's on track. No news is good news, and good news means the cabinets ship on time. In their world, silence is a 12-week void. They're sitting in the kitchen they hate, staring at the walls they're about to replace with no visibility into the process and nothing to do but imagine what might be going wrong. The renovation shows they watched made it look like it's a week. It's been 6. The panic texts will keep coming. Trust isn't the issue here. The problem is that you haven't given them anything to hold on to while they wait. The fix is automated empathy. The moment the contract is signed, you use the intake transcript to build a series of brief touchpoint messages, scheduled to go out at regular intervals during the production window, whether or not you have anything new to report. Here's where the recording earns its keep. You don't write generic updates. You open the intake transcript, take it to your AI tool of choice, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, whatever, and use a prompt like this. Read this intake meeting's transcript. Write 4 short update emails at weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8 that reference specific things this client said they were excited about. Under 100 words each, tone, warm, confident, reassuring. What comes back isn't, your order is in production, thank you for your patience. It's the Navy Island you've been dreaming about is being built right now, and the brushed brass hardware you landed on is going to look exactly how you pictured it. They don't need a factory update. They need to know you remember them. The transcript is where you stored what to remember. The emails go out on schedule. You don't write them again. Your client gets 4 touch points during the silence, each one personal, each one built from a conversation you already had. The silence doesn't disappear, it just stops feeling like abandonment. If you've ever had a client go from excited to anxious during the production window without anything actually going wrong, the AI note-taking guide has this workflow. It covers how to build the touchpoint system from the intake transcript, personalize updates that keep the clients confident through the wait, without adding work to your plate. Get it at cabinetnotes.com. Next week, part 2 of the production gap. A couple just asked if their kitchen can be done by Thanksgiving. It's October 15th. We'll talk about that conversation and how to have it without becoming the villain. Hit subscribe.